Hey guys, it's Time 20 and today I am going to be showing you how to make cool bracelets out of your mini bands. So what you're going to need for this are scissors, pliers, and you're going to need a needle, but to warn y'all, take scissors and cut the tip off and put it in tape because it is really dangerous. You do not want to get hurt. And then what I also recommend is this, because you can untwist this and set off the bead. And then the other thing that you will need is elastic string, so when you put the bracelet on the fence. And then of course Alright, now let's get started by drilling the holes into the bands. Once you're done drilling a hole, once you have all your rings drilled through, you can take this type of string, my bad, I meant wire. You can untie or unscrew the beads off, just like this. And you can do this, but I'm not going to show you the entire thing because that's going to be way too long. But you can take a container and put the beads in through there. Okay, so guys, for the rubber ones, you're probably gonna need the needle to push them through. Oh my gosh, it's always the messed up tips that get me. Okay, so actually it's really easy to push through. It's just the messed up tip, but yeah, you're probably not gonna need the needle. Okay, there. Finally. Okay. This is probably my favorite bead out of them all because it kind of like gives out childhood memories, like gummy worms and like gummy bears. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need the needle. Okay, so guys, you're gonna need to like fold the string and then push it in with like the needle. Okay, so just push the needle all the way through, and well, guess that didn't work. Then we can just use the the tweezers. Yes, if you don't have like thin ones, then try to like find something that's similar or something. So yeah, this is how the bracelet is looking right now. This one's a huge one, not gonna lie, but let's do this bead. This kind of gives off salmonella, not gonna lie. This one gives me flashbacks because I had this one, but it was like a unicorn or something. When I had to drill this one, it was so hard. Okay, I need the needle. Alright, I got it through. Now let's see what other beads. Let's use this one. This one is an interesting one because it kind of reminds me of like a ninja star. And then let's use the butter. You're probably gonna need a needle for this one, so yeah. Okay, so guys, you're gonna need pliers, and you're gonna grab the needle and push the needle through and pull it out through the end until the string comes out through the other end. Okay, so guys, this took me so long, but while getting the string through finally, as you see, I broke the needle. So I would recommend you using like a thin drill thing or something. Like try using one of these for a drill. Maybe that will work because a needle clearly doesn't work. Okay, so guys, this is how the bracelet turned out. It was too long, so I had to make it like a little longer so I can just wrap it around. Also, if you want to know like how to make these cool magnets out of your mini bands, then check out the next video. And also, sadly, these this character right here, it couldn't fit because it was like too small. Same with this one. But make sure to like and subscribe. And have a fantastic day. Bye.